What's up, home bartenders? Let's make another nice fall sipper with Mezcal, Averna, and coffee liqueur. Let's do it. Starting off with our Mezcal, I'm using Vida. We're gonna do 1 1/3 ounce. Yeah, it's a weird measurement. Go 1.5 ounces if you want. I don't think it'll ruin the drink. After that, 1/2 ounce of Amaro Averna. You could substitute another Amaro if you want, but try to use Averna if you can. After that, we want coffee liqueur. That's homemade. Check out that recipe. And only 1/3 ounce, or you can go half. Honestly, I don't like these weird measurements. A dash of orange bitters, and then we're gonna fill our mixing glass with ice and give it a good stir. And then we're gonna strain into a Nick and Nora and garnish with an orange peel. The PURA VIDA. So super simple ingredients. 4 if you count the bitters, and nice smoky mezcal, and those nice bitter, sweet bitter notes from the Amaro, bit of coffee coming off, and of course the citrus oils. Oh, that's really good. It's warm, it's sweet, little smoky from that mezcal. Oh, this is both like this is a good kind of like introductory drink to get into mezcal, but simultaneously to get into Amaros, because the Averna, it is sweet. It's got nice earthy herbal notes, and it's not overly bitter. It is one of the Amaros that is more on the sweet side, and that coffee just brings everything together. Oh yeah, I really like this. This is a really good sipper. And all those flavors is very fall appropriate. This is a good one. If you're looking for more Amaro cocktails, check out this video here. If you want just standard fall cocktails, we've got a bunch in this video here. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.